Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can customize Always On Display. So at the first, let's go for the settings, find Always On Display on the lock screen, move to the Always On Display, tap on the switcher. Next, we can check the display items, of course the display of AOD. I'm going to turn off when the battery saver is on, but there we got only one option, that for 10 seconds after tapping on the screen. So let's get it like that. Here we can change the theme. For me, the best is this one, so I'm going to apply. Here we can change this text color by choosing here. I think that I'm going with this one. And also we can enable or disable battery, information and notifications. So you have to decide what you're going to get. I'm going to enable both of them, then click apply and just take a look on the screen. As you can see, right now we got beautiful Always On Display on our Redmi Note 10 Pro. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.